welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another Love Me Hair wig install, one of my favorite wig brands. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this little half up half down low-key widow's peak dip, because I kind of removed some of the hair here. I love it. I love this hair. It's just giving like a slight Jerry curly loose wave, you see, like a little bit of texture but not too much. I did put product in it so you guys could see, but I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoy this super quick, easy, beginner friendly wig install. Everything's going to be linked below in case you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and interacting with them. It means the world to me. Let's just hop straight into this.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Okay, so my camera battery went from 28% to 53%. That's how the Lord works. Thank you, Jesus. I needed that. I'm gonna use the net or the elastic that they gave me. Your girl has been growing out her hair. I'm actually be getting some braids soon, like some braids, y'all. So I'm going to try to protect my hair as best as possible. When I actually put on the like spray, I'm not gonna put it on my hair. This is what it looks like. I did pluck and bleach the knots, okay? Even though this one came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, I went ahead and did it again. It did come with a hairbrush and an elastic, thank the Lord, because I think I threw away a bunch of my elastics. I don't know why I did that, but this one doesn't have any logo, so I absolutely adore that. I will be using a blow dryer, this Erica J Hold Me Down spray, but so far it's giving really cute. I think I want to do like a half up, half down, something that I normally don't do. What I'm doing right now is just kind of feeling if I want to cut off this little like back flap, because I normally do. Let's get right into it. And I'm not going to get it on my hairline. So before the hair, and kind of just wipe it around on my forehead, not on my hairline. I waited too long. Do it in sections maybe. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put it on. What I'm gonna do is just briefly spray the whole hairline. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is remove our lace. Okay, I haven't had this on for much time. Comb it backwards, just so everything is up and out your face. Do you guys see this? Did this thing slide? This time don't slid back. Okay, so what I like to do is cut it in sections, especially like if you're a new beginner. Cut it in sections. Takes longer, but do I really want all this like additional forehead piece? Or do I want to get rid of it? Or do I want to widow's peak? This is when you need to figure this out. Let's go for a widow's peak. Yeah, we're gonna do a widow's peak. So you're gonna just take and then just kind of lightly rip it out. Easy peasy. Is cut in a up down motion. Careful. Ooh. And we can't forget we're cutting it at a point. I kind of adore. Okay, so for this wig's hairline in particular, it's a little small. So what I am gonna do is some baby hairs. So around the perimeter of the hairline, it was a little snug for me. So to combat that or to hide it, I'm just going to style it like this, half up, half down, and then I'm gonna wet it. Be right back. My camera's about to die, but be right back. So you guys, this is how my hair turned out. I think it's so cute. I put a little product in it, pattern of the waves. Like it's like just slightly body wave, like the hinges of the slightest. I love it. I think it's super cute. Definitely gonna be an easy go-to throw on style. I did find that the lace from ear to ear was a little short. So what I had to do to combat that, and when I was spraying on this spray, it just ripped off all my makeup. But I just kind of slicked my hair down. And then as you guys can see, I just have it down. So I think that if you're trying to do like a ponytail or half up, half down, to achieve that, you're gonna have to do this unless you have a smaller head than me. But do know that you can kind of configure. I normally get a small wig cap. So knowing that this one runs a little smaller, I'd probably get a medium. But I love it. I think it's so cute. I haven't put on a wig in so long. So to be able to continue to do this, it just makes me so happy. It means the world to me. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, because a lot of you guys tell me that I haven't like really been consistent or active over here on YouTube, but I'm a daily poster on TikTok. My TikTok is Jdevinci. I absolutely adore TikTok. Please, Biden, don't ban it. I love TikTok. Follow me over on TikTok. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.